Yes.
Murata.
Murata.
This is a one time only for me. Yeah, buddy. Good morning. Good morning and welcome to day 2 in Kyoto. Now, Smokey-san has got to get ready pretty fast because in today's video we're going to travel from Kyoto to Tokyo with the bullet train, boys. Bullet train. Let's go. I do wonder how the breakfast looks like. Scrambled eggs, like the UK? Let's see. Oh, wait. Those are the PJs. So it's not just an intimate pyjama. It's actually some clothing wear. I have no idea what this is, but it's like takeaway in a box? I don't know. Mango round hash browns. Chicken and tomato sauce. Japanese bacon. I have no idea what that is. Good morning, Japan! We're gonna grab a cab to the bamboo forest or something. After the bamboo forest, we are going to the bullet train. Look at that. Cabs here. These are brand new Toyotas, by the way, but you can only buy these Toyotas as a cab driver. You cannot buy these in these colors for normal driving. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Je ne comprends pas français.
So that is the
Yes,
highest mountain?
Yes.
Highest mountain in Kyoto. And what's it called?
Atago Mountain.
Atago Mountain. This is Murata.
So yes.
Murata.
Yes.
Murata. Our cab driver. Alright, just had a nice ride with the Murata. Pretty cool though. We are now at the bamboo forest. We only have 20 minutes or else we're gonna miss the bullet train. So let's check out bamboo forest pretty quickly. That sure looks like a forest made out of bamboo. Yeah, now I know why they have these small cars here. Alright, back in Murata's car. No, it wasn't Murata. Murata is the cheese. Murata. Ah, back in the car, back to the hotel. Let's go. Thank you, Murata. Sightseeing with Murata.
Yes.
One thing to know to the audience here. Murata
Yes.
Murata also has a hunter cub and rides a Harley Davidson.
Yes.
What Harley Davidson? What type?
48. 48.
A 48. Harley Davidson 48.
Sportster.
Sportster.
1200.
1,200.
Yes.
1,200.
Yes.
Harley Davidson Sportster.
Yes.
That guy. And a hunter cub. That is cool. Look at that. Murata's hunter cub. That is cool, Murata. That is very cool. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much, Murata.
Thank you.
Had a very good time.
Thank you. Too.
And hopefully we see each other again.
Okay.
Maybe. These places are so ridiculously crowded. Crazy. That thing looks fast as hell. Golly.
5 minutes later.
Welcome to Tokyo. Now, I'm not gonna lie, Tokyo looks exactly the same like Kyoto, probably because it has some of the same letters, but it's just as big. Ooh. Alright, hotel number 2 for Smokey-san, the Grand Prince Hotel. Alright. This is a Smokey style of hotel. How ridiculously big is this place? Golly! Holy moly! Right. Main. What is that? Ooh, Smokey investigates. Check out the view, boys. Oh no. Wait, there's something that is way more important than the view. Yes. Heated seat and the butt spray. Yeah, buddy. Do love that. Do love that. All right. There we go. Not really sure how sturdy this is, but all right. Smokey-san got his own little balcony over here, looking over Tokyo City. Now, only had like 2 hours of sleep this night. Yeah, my body is still not adapted to the other rhythm. I think I got a little bit of a jet lag problem. Holy moly! But oh yeah, we're in Tokyo, and Tokyo, the biggest city in the world. Yeah, did you know that? Also the capital of Japan. And by the looks of it, it's even getting bigger. The buildings that they're building over here is absolutely remarkable. Holy. Got some New York vibes here. Holy. This is a one time only for me, and probably never a second time. This is way too busy for me. God dang it. Now I'm getting back from Tokyo because I got a little bit of a jet lag, feeling kind of dizzy. So I need to go to the popular viral video 7-Eleven. Yeah, let's grab some stuff. Yeah, buddy. Famous 7-Eleven haul. A lot of you guys probably have no idea what it means, but there's a lot of viral videos going on about the stuff that's in this bag. Now, not really the best shopping spree that I've ever been in, because my head is like spinning like a windmill or something, but we have the fluffy melon bread. Some people give that a 10 out of 10. And we got the world famous triangle egg sandwich. So we gotta try this one out. Then of course the normal noodle one. We got a banana. We got some pineapple over here. We got chocolate and banana. Also a very famous one over there. And yeah, this candy for some reason. And I just bought that for some, you know, vitamin C. And all of this just set me back 1,659 yens, which divided by 160 means about 10 euro. 10 euro for all of that. Let's try it out. If it's really as good as they say it is. Oh, it smells very eggy. I'm not gonna lie. This is the best egg sandwich I ever had in my life. Starting to feel dizzy again, so I'm going to bed. The jet lag really kicking in. So I gotta take my rest. A lot of drink, a lot of electrolytes. And I already had the egg sandwich, so I think I'm gonna be good. Thanks all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 3 of the WRC Hyundai Rally. You have not seen a Hyundai just yet. It's just Smokey-san in Japan. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya! Yo guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you also want to make some money on the side with YouTube or become a full-time YouTuber as myself, or you want to build your personal brand, make sure you click the link in the description and check out my free webinar. Yeah, new video, my favorite video.